Hey boys and girls, today in math we're going to review how to tell time to the hour and to the half hour. So remember guys that there are 60 minutes in an hour, and let's go over the two hands as well. So this shorter hand is the hour hand, so it points towards the hour. This longer hand is the minute hand, it points towards the minute. And if the minute hand is on the 12, it is at o'clock, or it is on the hour. So the hour hand points towards 9. This is the o'clock, so it is 9 o'clock, or the hour is 9. This is how it looks on an analog clock. This is how it looks on a digital clock. Very nice. So time to the half hour. So you can if you remember from the previous lessons, you can count along the clock by fives. You jump from the 12 to the 1, so that's 5, 10, 15, 20, 25, 30. When the clock is halfway around from the 12, it is on the 6, and that is half past the hour, or 30 minutes past the hour. So look at the hour hand, guys. The hour hand is between the 9 and the 10, and we know that if it's in between the 9 and the 10, we go with the lower number. So it's not 10 o'clock yet, guys. It is 9 o'clock. And the minute hand is down here at the 6, which we know is half past the hour, so it is 9:30. This is how 9:30 is written on an analog clock, and this is how 9:30 is written on a digital clock. All right, number 1 wants us to show 11:30 on the clock. So the hour hand is already there for us. We need to create the minute hand, though, and then write it on the digital clock. So 30 minutes past the hour. Let's count by fives, guys. 5, 10, 15, 20, 25, 30. So the minute hand would go right here on the 6, which would show half past the hour. Perfect. And then we would write it as 11:30. Easy peasy, right? All right, half past 5. So this one isn't showing us the digital, but it means the exact same thing. Half past 5. So half past 5 is another name for 30 minutes past the hour, so let's count by fives to get 30 minutes past the hour. 5, 10, 15, 20, 25, 30. So our minute hand would go right here on the 6, and our hour hand is between the 5 and the 6. So it's not quite to the 6, so the hour is still what, guys? It is still 5. So it is 5:30. All right, let's do a couple more. So the time is 3:30. We can see that our hour hand is in between the 3 and the 4. So we need to move 30 minutes or half past. And we know we've done several of these problems. If it's half past or 30 minutes past the hour, guys, that means the minute hand is on which? It's always going to be on the 6. If it's half past, the minute hand will always be on the 6. We don't even need to count by fives anymore. We know that, right? So in the digital clock, it'll look just like that. 3, the hour, and then the minutes passed. Here are the minutes. 30. Perfect. Well, the next 2 days, we're just going to review how to tell time past the hour and the half hour, guys, from last week. Ooh, here's a new one. It's 9 o'clock. So the hour hand is already there for us at the 9. Now we need to make o'clock. Let's go back over here and look. I'm sure you know from previous lessons that if the time is o'clock, it's always on the what number? The minute hand's always on the what when it's o'clock? It's always on the 12. So let's put our minute hand up here. And there we go. There is 9 o'clock. And when you write 9 o'clock, how do we write it, guys? O'clock is 00. We wouldn't write 9:60 like this. There's no 60. After it hits 55 and it jumps up to the 12, it is no longer 60. We put 00 for o'clock. So it's 9:00. It is 9 o'clock. Well, I hope you guys have a good day.